Hi, hello guys, this is Vijay, chemistry lecturer from Alibaug Junior College. Okay, as you know that we are doing the NEET series based on that chemistry and biology. We are discussing each and every chapter in detail and also we are practicing few numericals. Okay, so on that basis today we are going to discuss about few practice problems, NEET chemistry, some basic concept, unit number 1, examples. So few questions we are going to practice it now. Let us go for the next question. Nitrogen which occurs in nature in the form of two different isotopes with atomic mass 14 and 15 respectively. If average atomic mass of nitrogen which is 14.0067, what is the percentage abundance, the composition of the two isotopes? Let us see how to solve this problem. Okay, so for this question, first percentage abundance, percentage composition of the nitrogen 14 isotope. We don't know the value, so let it be as X. Okay, so percentage abundance of nitrogen. Okay, so percentage abundance of nitrogen 14 isotope, let it be as X. Then percentage abundance of nitrogen 15 isotope. Okay, so percentage abundance of nitrogen 15 isotope. So that is nothing but percentage we are going to consider. So 100 minus X. Okay. Now let us find the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. Okay. So average atomic mass, let us write for both the isotopes. So first one what? X. You know that nitrogen 14 isotope. So X into 14, that is first isotope. Similarly the second isotope, that is 100 minus X isotope 15. Nitrogen isotope 15. Okay. So this could be written as divided by 100. We are going to find the average atomic mass. Okay, so this could be written as like 14x plus 100x. No, 14x 100 minus x. No, 14 into x, 14x 100 minus x into 15 divided by 100. So simplifying this, what we will get? We will get around 14.0067. Okay, this is the value we will get simplifying this. So now this value 14.0067 minus 1500, that is nothing but what? Nitrogen isotope 15. Okay, so 1500. This, so X value, we are going to find the X value minus X. So minus X, that is equal to this. We are going to move into few more decimal places, that is 1400.67 minus 1500, that is nothing but the nitrogen isotope. Nitrogen isotope 15. Okay, so now the minus X value, this what we will get? We will get minus 99. Yes, around 1400 minus 1400.67 minus 1500. So we will get around 99.33%. So this is there in the, this is what the X value. So minus X is equal to this, plus X is equal to 99.33%. So this is the value we will get. Okay. Yes. So thus the percentage of the abundance nitrogen 14 isotope, value, that is around 99.33%. This is what? Nitrogen 14 isotope. That means percentage of nitrogen 15 isotope, percentage of nitrogen 15 isotope, that is nothing but 100 minus 99.33, that we will get around 64%, 0.64%. nitrogen 15 is equal to 100 minus 99.33%. That means nitrogen 15 isotope value 100 minus 99.33, that is nothing but subtracting 100 minus 99.33, that is 0.67%. 0.67%. Okay, so this is what nitrogen 15 isotope, mass of the nitrogen 15 isotope. So by this way we can solve this problem. Let us go for the next question. Let us see the next question, that is calculate the mass of one atom of nitrogen in the form of gram. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. Now we are going to calculate the mass of one atom of nitrogen in the form of gram. Concept, we are going to write the mole concept. Yes, mole, we know the concept of, we know about mole concept, right? So mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of nitrogen, that is equal to gram atomic mass of nitrogen, which is always equal to what? Gram atomic mass of nitrogen. Okay, so gram atomic mass of nitrogen, its value is around 14 gram. That means what? 14 gram, which is always equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So this we should know. Yes. Next, mass of one atom. Mass of one atom. So mass of one atom is equal to gram atomic mass divided by molar concept. Okay, mole concept. Okay, gram atomic mass divided by n Avogadro number, Avogadro value. Okay, so mass of one atom of nitrogen, that means mass of one atom of nitrogen, that is equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass value is 14 gram. 14 gram divided by Avogadro value. Avogadro value we know 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay. Yes, this we are going to simplify. Simplifying this, we will get around 2.32 into 10 to the power of minus 23 gram. Okay, 2.32 into 10 to the power of minus 23 gram. This is what? Mass of one atom of nitrogen. So by this way we can solve this problem. Let us go for the next question. Similarly, the same type of question, next question. Calculate the mass of one molecule of methane. One molecule of methane, we are going to calculate the mass. Okay, right. Okay, so molecular formula CH4, methane. Okay, so mass of one molecule of methane, mass of one molecule of methane, that is mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Yes, molecule of methane, molecule of CH4, methane. Yes, molar mass of methane. Let us see the molar mass of methane. Molar mass of methane is nothing but the total atom present in the entire component. Okay, so molar mass of methane, CH4. So molar mass of methane, that is equal to 16 gram. Carbon is 12, hydrogen is 4. So 12 plus 4, 16. Okay, 16 gram. That is what? Molar mass of methane. Mass of one molecule. We know the formula, mass of one molecule. Mass of one molecule. We are using the formula molar mass by Avogadro value. Okay, molar mass by Avogadro value, Na. So molar mass is what? 16 gram. 16 gram divided by Avogadro value, that is there, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, so this we are going to simplify. So simplifying this, what we will get? We will get around 2.65 into 10 to the power of minus 23. The exponent is going to this side, no? So it become the sign will be changing. So 10 to the power of minus 23. 2.65 10 to the power of 23 gram. This is what the mass of one molecule of methane. Okay. So by this way we can solve this problem. Let us go for the next question. Now let us see the next question. How many moles of H2SO4 are present in 4.9 gram of H2SO4? Okay. Yes. So for finding the number of moles present in the H2SO4, first we should know the gram molecular weight of H2SO4. Yes, gram molecular weight of H2SO4. Gram molecular weight of H2SO4. So this is 98 gram. Okay. We are going to find the gram molecular weight of H2SO4. 98 gram. How many elements are there in the compound? 3 elements. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Okay. So 3 elements are there. 3 elements constituent, overall constituents, that is what? The molar weight. That is 98 gram. Okay. So the number of molecules, number of moles, we did, just now we did the formula, right? That is number of moles is equal to, just it is given in the question, that is number, how many moles of present in H2SO4 are present in 4.9 gram of H2SO4. That is nothing but 4.9 gram by 98 gram. So simplifying this, we will get around 0.05 gram. Okay, so by this way we can solve this problem. Let us go for the next question. Now, let us see the next question. Calculate the actual mass of water molecule in the form of gram. Okay, so let us write. First, what we supposed to know? We should know the molar mass of water. Molecular mass, molecular weight of water, H2O. 2 elements are there, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, which gives 18 AMU or atomic mass unit. Molecular mass of H2O, that is 18 AMU, 18 U, atomic mass unit. Okay, weight of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, weight of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water, molecules of H2O, water, which is always equal to what? 18 U, 18 atomic mass unit. Now weight of one molecule, how we will find? So weight of one molecule, that is nothing but 18 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay. Yes. So simplifying this, we will get around 2.99 into 10 to the power of minus 23 gram. So this is what? The mass of water molecule in gram. Okay. So by this way we can solve this problem. Let us go for the next question. Calculate the number of atoms. Calculate the number of atoms which is in 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of phosphorus molecule P4 and 0.05 gram of the water. Okay, let us see one by one. First one, 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen which contain what? 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of not only nitrogen, 1 mole of any elements which contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. We know that. Yes. So 2 mole of atoms, that is equal to what? 1 mole of nitrogen, that is nothing but there we have nitrogen, 2 atoms are there. Okay. So 1 mole of nitrogen which is equal to 1 mole of nitrogen which is always equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, or we can write it as 1 mole of nitrogen atom is also similar. Okay, 1 mole of nitrogen atom is nothing but N2. So 2 atoms are there. Okay, Similarly, second question, 1 mole of phosphorus molecule. 1 mole of phosphorus molecules, that is nothing but what? Which contain always 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. That could be written as number of atoms. 1 mole of nitrogen which contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. This is what? 1 mole of nitrogen. Okay. Similarly, 1 mole of phosphorus is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Similarly, so 1 mole of phosphorus which is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. At the same time, when we are talking about number of atoms, that is 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms. Okay. So this could be written as 2.4092 into 10 to the power of 24 atoms. Okay. This could be written as 2.4092 into 10 to the power of 24 atoms. This is for phosphorus. Similarly, when we are talking about nitrogen, here number of atoms are 2. Whereas in phosphorus here number of atoms are 4. That is the reason we are going to multiply with 4. Here number of atoms are 2. That means what? 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms. This could be written as 1.2046 into 1.2046 into 10 to the power of 24 atoms. In the form of atoms, we are going to write by this way. In the form of atoms, we are going to write for phosphorus by this way. Similarly, the last question, 0.05 gram of water. 0.05 gram of water, number of atoms we are going to find. Okay. Yes. Here 18 gram of water. Okay. 18 gram of water which contain 1 mole of molecules. That is equal to what? 18 gram of water which contain 1 mole. That is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This is what? 1 mole of water. Yes. Okay. Here number of atoms when we are talking about 2 mole atoms of hydrogen and 1 mole atoms of oxygen. Number of atoms for this water in the compound water. So here 2 mole of H2. Okay. 2 mole of atoms of hydrogen. 2 mole atoms of H2. Similarly, 1 mole atoms of oxygen. Yes. 2 mole atoms of hydrogen, 1 mole atom of oxygen. Okay. Applying this value, how we will get the answer? Let us see. That is overall 3 mole. Yes, 3 into, we are going to write the value. This 3 is nothing but what? 2 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen. 2 plus 1, 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into, in the question they asked us to find 0.05 gram of water. That means 0.05 gram divided by overall gram molecular weight. Overall gram molecular weight, that is what? 18 gram. Simplifying this, we will get around 0.05016 into 10 to the power of 23. Again, we are going to write it again. Simplifying this, we will get around, making into 2 more digits. 5.016 into 10 to the power of 21. Moving 2 digits here, 2 decimal place this side. Now left side. That means 5.016 into 10 to the power of 21. This is what? Number of atoms present in 0.05 gram of water. So by this way we can solve this problem. Yes, so far we have discussed about few example practice questions from some basic concept. This will be continued further in the next video. Thank you guys.